Okay, so this is Hugh again with the Realty Source. So I'm gonna show you. This is part two. I'm gonna show you what to do once I send out the email. So you're gonna go. You're gonna if you're using Gmail, so you go over here and then you basically click on it. So that's the invitation. You accept the invitation, and it's gonna bring you to this site. There's my contact information if you need to reach out to me, and then you can go over here. So this is Tussin Homes. You can go into edit the criteria. So if you wanted to edit the criteria, you can go ahead and do that by editing the criteria right here. I'll wait till this thing comes up. And then here's the criteria. So if you want to go in here and add more cities, you can do that, or you can do the map search, or you can do the residential. So once you click on it, it'll pop up with different options that you want to look at, and then this one as well. And then this one's minimum price, maximum price, bedroom, bath, square foot, square footage, and then you just hit save changes. But for now, I'm gonna cancel it. So we got 100 and I think like 102. It's not gonna show up right here. Um, and the accounts, let's see here. So my stream, okay, let's see here. Alerts, this notification. So you can change your, let's see here, test. Okay, so you can change your notifications right here. Okay. And filters, you can filter it out by all, like, dislike, commented. So if you like it, you just hit this button right here. And it's going to send me a message stating that you like it. And then if you wanted to send me a message, leave me a message here. And then you're going to post a comment. And this is how you read it. This is if it's active. So here it is. So once you click on it, this is the back button right here. So say you like this property right here. You can click on this, and then you can scroll through here to view the pictures. Let me see. So Xing out of this. Okay, so let's see here. Okay. And then you can read the description. You can discuss. You can leave me a comment. Here's the details. This shows you if it's active. Here's the MLS number, the multiple listing service number, the county, and then property built, lot size, year built, garage size, all of this data right here. When list date, when it was listed, days on the market, original price. This is the price. This is the original price. Sold price, price per square foot. They just take the list price and they divide that up by the square footage. Directions. Okay, so last updated 9/5/11/52. So this morning, photos updated, association dues if there's any, curbs, community features, cooling, heating, land lease. This is one you got to be careful of because if it's a land lease, that means that it's going to be leased land. So let's see, they're typically for condominiums, so you don't have to worry too much about it for single family. But this is something that, and also to the property taxes. Just let me know, and I'm gonna call the other agent to find out if there's any Melloroos, like newer communities. Chances are they have Melloroos. Those are bonds against the property tax for 30 years. Sometimes, if the home is almost 30 years and the bond's almost paid off. Okay, levels, how many levels, listing term, cash, new lot future, pool features, room type, special conditions, views, senior. Okay, so property attached. Okay, so change history. So 830, the price was that's when it was listed, and then neighborhoods. Here's the neighborhoods. Let me see here. Walking distance. I guess nearby restaurants. Let's see, nearby restaurants. Parcel information. Here's the parcel. Here's the lot size. This is an acre is 43,000 lot size. And then year built, total stories, tax property records. Here's the last records and any mortgages. I don't know if you would need that information, but there it is. And then the recording dates. Okay, and then here's all the schools, public. So Serrano schools, and then let's see what happens when you click on it. It goes into the grade school, so it'll go into the ranking. So it'll go into the ranking of the schools. Let's see here, Santiago. Let's take a look and see. So Serrano's the middle school. Santiago is the Santiago. Okay, let's see here. Test scores. Okay, so there it is. So you can kind of see where it's at. Let's see, and then elementary, Serrano, and then El Toro is the high school. So these are the rankings. So these ones all have good middle school. So this is 7, 8. This is K through 6, and then these are other schools that are with or without the districts. I know this area, so I know that these three are the districts within that particular area here. So these three. So there's elementary, intermediate, and then high school. Okay, let's see here. And then so there's the schools. So there you go. That's how you go ahead and take a look at that information. Here's all the pictures. And then if you like it, you just click on that. It'll send me a message. If you want to take a look at it, you just send me over a message. Leave a message. Hi, I would like to see this one. And then you just post a comment, and they'll notify me. And if you want directions to it, you can go ahead, or actually if you want directions or to see where it is on the map, you can go ahead and do that. So a lot of good features here. So here it is also, and then this is the office that is listing the property, but here it is, it tells you again. Active, residential, single family, here's a year built. So this is all the pertinent information, the list date, the price. So there you go. And then to get back to it, you just hit the back button. And that is it. So let's see here. Let me see if it's going to ask me to create a account settings. Okay. So, and then it's going to go in here. It's going to ask to change password. I already created a password. So if you're new, it's going to ask you to create a password. And that is it. So you log in, and it'll take you in there. Let's see here, and that's it. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, 714-352-0808, or you could send me a text message, 714. Actually, just go ahead and call me, 714-469-8968, and I'll send you over my cell phone number, okay? Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at hugh.charlie@gmail.com. Or you can call me at 714-352-0808. Thanks, and have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.